Hi everybody. So what you're looking at are 3 chicken breasts. I don't usually buy boneless, skinless chicken breasts unless they're on sale. These were $1.99 a pound. So what I usually do is I stock up. This will help me, keep protein on hand, lean cuts of protein on hand that I can just grab and go. That's so important when you're trying to maintain your healthy lifestyle. Convenience type foods, easy to grab and heat up and stuff, those are the foods that we tend to reach for, and sometimes those are not the most healthy. So I find that if I provide that, if I just take one day and bake this stuff up, it usually helps me in the long run in those situations. So what I did is I just seasoned it with a little extra virgin olive oil, a little salt and pepper. I threw a little tiny sprinkling of dried tarragon and Italian seasoning in it. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake them off for probably about an hour. And when they're finished, I will make the finished picture, the thumbnail, so you get to see what it all looks like. And until next time, guys, live, laugh, and love. This is just a little quick cooking tip, something that you can take with you, when you need some quick protein. Just protein can be expensive, so you just want to shop those sales, check out your sales flyers for your local grocery stores. But anyway, until next time, guys, live, laugh, and love.